Hello peaches, welcome to today's video. So today we have another review for you guys. Happy subscription Saturday. So the subscription box that we're going to be talking about today is Boxycharm. Boxycharm is a subscription company that is monthly, so every month it is $25 and you get 5 full-size products, which I think is a pretty good deal for $25. That's like $5 a product, and it ranges up to $120 worth of product for that $25. So you're getting a lot of value for your money. Usually just one of the products will pay for the box, and some, like usually every product in there is more expensive than the box itself. So this is my first time getting Boxycharm. I've never had Boxycharm before, and I wanted to open it with you guys and share with you my thoughts. So the packaging's okay. I'm not a huge fan of black. I just don't think it's like very girly, but I know a lot of people like black. I mean, it's simple, it's clean, it's just nothing like special. I don't think I would want to keep this box, whereas like the FabFitFun box, I would probably want to keep more than this. But I do like that it's small. There's not a lot of waste in here, so that's good. We're gonna open it up. It's just like bright pink on the inside, and it says Hello Charmer, which it's like, again, not my favorite packaging, but it's cute. It has their handles on the top. It's like kind of okay. So now compared to something like FabFitFun, which has like a lot of customization, this, when you sign up, you take a quiz on what you like what type of products, hair, makeup, skincare, what type of products you like, also your personal, like who you are, so your hair type, your skin type, all of that stuff. And that's kind of it. Once you make your account, you don't get any more personalization. You just, like, somebody who works for Boxycharm will make a collection for you. And so every box is going to be different, and you don't know really what you're getting at all. Whereas a lot of the other subscription companies, they will do sneak peeks. You get to pick between like 2 different items, and you kind of get to curate it a little bit more. So the downside with this is that there may be some products that you don't like, but I think for $25, realistically, if you like one product in the box, it's worth it. And then it gives you options to give gifts or to do what you want with the other products. So I do think it's worth it in that sense. I think $25 for 5 products that are full size is a really great deal. Now, the plus side of not getting to customize it is that you're surprised. So if you like surprises, if you're not so picky and you want a subscription that's affordable and you just get to test out new products, then that's awesome. If you're someone who likes to be more specific and choose what you want, then that could be something to look out for. But either way, as long as you like one product in here, then it's worth it. We're gonna dive into my box. So the first thing is this Tristique Summer Glow and Go, and so it comes with a highlighting stick, a blush, a shadow for your eyeshadow, and then a brow pencil. I think it's really nice idea to have like 4 little sticks that is everything you need for like grab and go, so you can just throw it in your purse and have everything that you need for like a natural look. I think it's really cute. Let's open it up. Now, I have tried out their products before. They are not like my absolutely all-time favorite things. I mean, it's pretty. I like to smell things. This is not something that I would pick out for myself. Do I think that I could use it? Yes. Do I think that I have a lot of products similar to this already? Yes. But this retails for $42, so this product alone is worth the $25, especially if you're going to use it. I think that this is also a really great gift set, so maybe I'll keep it for that, but I think it's cool. I'm happy with it. It's just not something that I personally need. Okay, the next thing is the Thank Me Later eyeshadow primer by Elizabeth Mott. I think the packaging is cute. It's not my favorite thing, and I also am not one who really uses a ton of eyeshadow primer. I'm pretty lucky in terms of my eyeshadow sticks pretty well. And if I do use eyeshadow primer, I just usually use concealer. So again, like, this is not a product that I will probably use very much. I like this tube. It's like a matte pink. I like don't want to use these things if I'm not going to keep them. But like I know my mom loves eyeshadow primers, so like maybe I'll give it to her. Maybe I'll do a giveaway. That's cool because if I was someone who like liked to just try new products, then I've never heard of that brand before, and that's worth $20. So already we're at $62 for, and I only paid $25 for the box. Now granted, of the I haven't like of the products so far, it's not really worth it because I haven't really wanted those, but we still have 3 more products, so let's see. So now this is a pore purifying cleanser by Dr. Brandt. Now, with salicylic acid, tea tree oil, and white willow bark. Now, I've been watching a lot of skincare by Hiram, okay, and I still feel like I don't know anything. I just like know that I should like just get the products that he tells me to get. That's really it. But I do feel like those things like acylic acid sounds like something he would like. But I mean, pore purifying cleanser sounds good to me. I would like to try this. I kind of am in the market for a new cleanser and one that takes my pores away, because that is something that I struggle with, not so much acne but pores. That's something that I noted in my survey, so I think that that was great for me. Like I need that. That's something that I would want to buy. I've never heard of this brand, but it's definitely solving a problem that I have personally. So I'm very excited to try that. That is $36, which is pretty expensive for a cleanser, so I'm pretty happy that I only paid $25 for this box. Moving on to the Estetica Sunset Bronzer. Now I like the rose gold like mirrored box. And I really don't need another bronzer right now, but let's see how it looks, because I mean obviously I always love a bronzer. It kind of smells like a skincare product almost, like not so much like makeup, but it's a really pretty color. I really like that brown, so maybe I'll give it a test, see how it is.
It honestly had the worst color payout, and I'm not gonna ever use this. No thanks.
That's $24, so we're doing good so far. Basically every product, I mean this was $20, but the box is $25, so basically every product is worth equal to or more than what the box is, so that's pretty good. And then the last product is this Milk Brow Gel in the color Dutch, which I love good brow products. I am kind of in the need for one, so I'm actually so stoked on this. This was $20, and honestly I probably wouldn't have spent $20 on a brow gel, but this is the thing I'm most excited about in here. I like the clean white packaging. Honestly, I'm really happy with that. That's going to be something that I'm going to incorporate into my daily routine. My box is valued at $142, and I paid $25 for it, so I'm pretty happy with that. I love this product. I'm super stoked for this pore cleanser, and I have some gifts to give to other people.
So after opening my box, I went to the website because I knew that you could go and review your items and then get charm points, which I guess equates to money that you can spend on free products. So I found the products that I had in my box. So I started with this pore mask, or this pore cleanser, and I just wrote a little note about it, and I gave it a 1 out of 5, or it's a 5-star rating. And then for every single one, like once you write just something little, it doesn't matter what it is, as long as you review it, you get 50 charms. And then you can also click on the products that you got to read more about it, obviously how much it costs, all about like the ingredients and what's in it and how to use it if you had any questions. And you can also read reviews that other people have. Now I did notice that a lot of the reviews were kind of just to get charms and not like super informational like I would like, but I also noticed that reviewing what other people got in their box, because this I guess is everything, they don't have that many name brand things. Like here's a Too Faced foundation and a Glam Go face mask, and they have this thing for $105, which seems pretty good. But scrolling through all of this, there's really not too much besides the Too Faced and the Glam Glow. There's the milk thing that I got, and then these milk makeup cooling water eye patches. And I just scrolled through and kind of didn't see too much. I mean, there's this lip mask from Tarte, which seems kind of good. But out of everything, out of all of the products they had, nothing seemed like something that you'd like really want. And then I went to my account to see like how I could redeem my points, and you can see here that I got 50 points for every single one. So now I have 250 points, meaning I have $2.50. But you can't redeem those, and you can only review 5 products because obviously you only got 5 products. So I would say it would probably take a long time to actually be able to get anything with that, unless you're like referring a bunch of friends. And then I also went to my box to see, like, compare the boxes to let you guys know that there is kind of a few options. There's a regular Boxycharm that's $25 that has a value of $120, and you only get to pick one item. But they also have the Boxy Luxe, which is quarterly. This seems a little bit more like FabFitFun. You get up to $250 value, and you get 8 products. Again, not a whole bunch of selection. And then if you have both of those, I guess you can qualify to have a Boxycharm membership, which is $35. So it's like in the middle. It's monthly too. And you get like 6 products. So there's kind of 3 options. They're all different, so you can have them all if you wanted to spend that much money and you wanted that many products. But so I also wanted to read the reviews and see what other people were saying, and honestly, it didn't seem like the best besides the people just trying to get charms. This person said they don't even wear bronzer and that this whole subscription is a waste of money because they haven't gotten anything that they actually want to use. Then other people are saying that the products didn't, like, what's the point of the quiz? They don't send products that they want, and that the shades don't match. And I thought that was pretty interesting. Like, a lot of people were saying that they didn't like products. Not for me, they're never going to use it. And that's kind of the whole point, is to get things that you want and get things that you can actually use. Like, that's the whole reason you are getting a box like this. So there was different mixed reviews. Like, some people you could just tell, like, it was so uninformational that they just wanted the charms and like didn't care. But then, like, I thought this was really interesting because I'm pretty excited about my milk makeup brow thing, but there was reviews and a lot of them that said that they didn't get the right colors, that they got this diesel black and they have red hair and blonde eyebrows, and they tried to contact and the people didn't say anything. The next person said, again, diesel black, they're natural blonde. This person said receive black color. And like, so you take this whole quiz when you sign up, and apparently they do nothing with it because everyone's getting the wrong color and products that they specifically said they don't want. But I did notice that when you go to review the products from the premium, they have a lot better selection. They have Too Faced right here. They have MAC lipsticks. They have a lot more like just brands that you would want. Tarte mascara. They have Fenty Beauty, which, like, I just feel like out of all of these products, there's a lot more products that you would actually desire or want to go to the store and buy.
My review of Boxycharm is definitely that it's worth it. As I've said, like, $25 is a really good price. $25 is equivalent to basically one product. Even like if you were to go to the store and buy one thing, it's worth it. So to get $150 worth of stuff is really cool.
Except when you don't actually want anything in the box. So I wanted to hold up and stop that right there, because when I reviewed it, I honestly thought it was worth it, because I think that $150 worth of product for $25 is definitely a good deal, and 5 products for that price is great. However, if you don't actually like any of the products, then it's kind of not worth it. It's kind of a hit or miss, and reading all those reviews with so many unhappy people not getting things that they're actually going to use kind of made me rethink, and I wanted to stop myself before I recommend getting this, because I think that there's a lot of subscription companies out there that are beauty related that allow you to test products for really good prices and give you options that you really want, instead of just random products that you're never going to use and throw away. If you are looking for luxury products, if you're looking for products that you would get at Sephora and Ulta, this is not the company that you would do that. I think there's so many beauty subscription companies out there, and although I like the price of this company, and if you like one product, it is worth it, but without the customization and without the ability to get like really great products, like with FabFitFun, you know you're getting products that you'll actually want. I just don't think that it's really worth it unless you don't care about like specific name brands or anything, and you just want to try new products and you're hoping for the best, then maybe it is worth it. And I do think that if you get the premium, it's probably worth it, because it seems like they have a lot better options and products that you'll actually want. I think after seeing other people's comments and my own personal experience, I'm gonna have to say to pass on Boxycharm. I just think out of all of the competitors out there, it's not worth it to get products that you don't really want. If you guys have gotten products in your Boxycharm that you are obsessed with, then leave it in the comments, and maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I'll try a premium box, but from just the regular ordinary box, I think I'm gonna have to say to pass, especially because they're sending people products that they blatantly said they didn't want on top of the wrong colors, even though they took the time to do the quiz. I'm just gonna have to say, give it a pass.
I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I got in my box and hearing what I think of Boxycharm. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and to subscribe down below to see more of me. As always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye!